autoresponder Sendinblue is now called Brevo. In terms of pricing tiered, Brevo is structured on monthly email volume. So you're not structuring your pricing based on how many subscribers you have. It's going to be based entirely on how many individual emails are sent. And to be clear, each individual that receives an email is counted as an email in the case of Brevo. And so if you look at their plans, they will count those emails to determine which tier you're going to be on, and that's how you're going to be billed for that particular month. So theoretically, there are no sending limits because once you're hitting up against the limits, you'll just be moved up to a different plan in order to continue sending. And like other autoresponders, there are advanced features, including automation, SMS, and CRM tools. All of those are going to be available in the paid plan. And so you may want to test the free plan to determine if Brevo is going to work for you. You get up to 300 emails per day. And then you can determine which features you're going to need. But Brevo does send emails, both automated and broadcast. Brevo is generally suitable for affiliate marketing and they are not opposed to it. They do require that your campaign comply with anti-spam policies. You are going to want to clarify what that means before you begin to do affiliate marketing in Brevo. You will be able to tag and segment your list and to personalize your options and do targeted messaging. That's for all of the paid plans. Because they've already implemented a system that's based on sending, you aren't likely to see any changes. What you may see is reduced limits for specific plans, which would be in effect a price increase. And Brevo allows for multi-user access, which means you can have individuals to work with you on your email management. And like other platforms, you will have third-party integrations, although in many cases, you may need the third-party cloud-based connector, Zapier, or something like it. And just as a side note, in May of 2023, Sendinblue was rebranded as Brevo. They did this to reflect the fact that the company wanted to be known for more than email marketing. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.